good deal of confusion can be caused by differ in guess of term. Algorithm seeks to use identifier with the use name and receives the word name for wholly different use concerned with the mode calling parameters for procedure. Algorithm X, on the other hand, appears likely to use the word name to mean approximate what we should call an L value, and hence something where the location of generation addresses. The term reference is also used by several languages to mean again approximately an L value. This includes numerals. We use the word numeral for the abstract object and numerals for the written representation. Okay, this is because of overlooks of important facts that number is general to have an internal structure and are therefore not automatic, is the sense that we said names is at least section, and one view commonly expresses that numbers are name of numbers, which presumably mean that every disambiguous numeral has appropriate R values associated with it. Okay, now you can see next slide. It is conceptual model. Conceptual model, it is sometimes helpful to have a picture showing the relationships between the various objects in the programming languages. They are representations in the store of the computer and the abstract object to which they correspond. Figure 1 is the attempt to property the conceptual model, which is beginning use the course. Okay, now you can see the conceptual model. This has a figure 1 diagram. Okay, as figure 1 diagram, it has the conceptual model. It includes the about basic fundamental concept in programming language. This is the diagram for the conceptual model. The additional for conceptual model, expression and commands. It is a very important, all the first and simplest programming language, by which one mean machine codes and assembly language consists string commands. When object each of these causes by computer to perform some elementary operations such as subtraction, and the more elaborate results are obtained by using long sequence of commands. Next, this is the question: why different languages? Why? Today, programmers use lot of languages in computer programming. Those languages have different tools, techniques, technologies, and natures. All languages are born to solve some particular task, work, or problem. All languages are not same. Sometimes some languages are weaker than other languages. All languages cannot cover all tasks. Now you can see the major differences and comparisons about different languages like libc, Algol 60, 68, Pascal, likewise C++, Java. There are lot of programming languages and have lot of differences and similarities about these languages. Now we get some language from different generation and look what are the differences. Okay, you can see Fortran is first generation language, Pascal was third generation language, and Foxtrot is fourth generation language. Fortran. Fortran is a first generation language. It is early 1915. There were no high level programming languages. They had very low level programming language, and it is depend on binary code. It is called assembly language. It is very time consuming and very slow language. So after come with Fortran, it should very compatible with by the good programmer. Now you can see the simple code of Fortran. It has a case and if, likewise common programming language concepts. Fortran has lot of advantages. It is actually scientifically oriented. Fortran mainly produced for scientifically calculation, better optimized codes, a lot of existing code, easier to learn and more efficient mathematics, easier to use and more robust and better diagnostics. This is the Fortran's advantages. But Fortran has lot of advantages. Poor string handling, include weak constructions and length functions, subprogramming paths around preference rather than by value, making data protection difficult. Data scoping is limited. Variables can either local or common blocks, and loops construct are somewhat limited. These are the disadvantages of Fortran.
Pascal. Pascal is the based on Algol programming language and named in honor of the French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal, which subsequently developed the Module 2 and obtained language similar to Pascal before, and learning up to Pascal we developed the language Euler following by Algol W. Initially, Pascal was largely but not exclusively intended to teach students structured programming. Generation of students have used Pascal as industry language as undergraduate courses. Variants of Pascal have also frequently been used to everything from research project to PC, games and embedded system. Newer Pascal compiler exit which are widely used.